Hello Andy, and here I'm going to show you how to make a bowl using method 1. So first of all we need a new design, so press Ctrl+N and we get a sketch plane. We'll start with our circle for the bowl, the outer diameter, and we make it 2.625. Then P on the keyboard for pull. That puts us straight into design mode and gets rid of the sketch plane. So we need to go to the design panel and we're in pull mode. So we select our surface to pull. We see we have an arrow pointing upwards, which is the direction the pull will go. So we need this to be 0.75, so just type 0.75. Don't need to do any physical pulling. Just type 0.75, return, which gives us our 0.75 thick billet. Now we need a recess in here, so we need to circle the diameter of our recess. So we'll go back to sketch plane, select the circle, or you could just type C on the keyboard. As you see down here, circle has got a C in brackets next to it. So we've got a cursor with a little hatch grid next to it, which means it's looking for somewhere to draw on. So select this top surface, and if we move the cursor, the hatch disappears next to it, and we've got a sketch plane on which we can draw something. So we've still got the circle highlighted, so we can draw a circle 2 inches diameter. Then press the P key for pull again. Select that circle. Now the arrow is still pointing upwards, which means if we type a value in, it'll go upwards. But we want it to go the other way. So to do this, click anywhere out here with left key and drag, and tell it which direction we want the pull to go, which is downwards. So we want that to be, now you can release the left key and the dimension still remains. Type 0.5, return. And there we have the recess. Now you want some radii on these corners. So we're still in the design mode and we're still in pull. So select the corner, hold the Control key and select the other corner, because both these radii are going to be the same, 0.07, which you see it's come up with 0.07 here. Then return. And there you have a bowl using method 1. I'll tell you what we'll do. Right click on here, select rename and type in wood bowl. Return. Job done.